Have you ever looked at your reflection and wondered why you seem to be aging faster than others? It's not just time or genetics. What you eat every single day plays a much bigger role than you think. Most people focus on creams, serums, or expensive treatments to look younger. But real youth starts inside your body, not on your skin. Every cell, every wrinkle, every line you see in the mirror reflects what's happening beneath the surface. When your diet is full of inflammatory foods, sugar, and poor fats, your skin loses collagen, becomes dull, and starts to sag. On the other hand, when you nourish your body with anti-aging foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, your skin repairs itself naturally. Your age comes from lifestyle, not your DNA. That means you have control. You can slow down or even reverse visible aging if you know what to eat and what mistakes to avoid. In this video, you'll discover the top foods that help you look 10 years younger naturally. But more importantly, you'll learn about the 3 common mistakes that silently destroy collagen and make you age faster, even if you eat healthy. Stay with me till the end, because the 3rd mistake is something most people do every morning without even realizing it. The secret to looking 10 years younger doesn't come from fancy creams or beauty clinics. It starts right inside your kitchen. The foods you eat daily decide whether your skin will glow with life or wrinkle with time. Let's start with some of the most powerful youth-boosting foods that nourish your skin, rebuild collagen, and keep your body strong as you age. The first one is avocado. It's nature's anti-aging butter, loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that repair dry, tired skin. The monounsaturated fats in avocado help maintain skin elasticity, while vitamin E shields your cells from oxidative stress. Eating 1 small avocado a day can improve your skin's hydration and make it glow naturally without the need for expensive serums. Next, we have salmon, especially wild-caught salmon. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which strengthen the skin barrier and reduce inflammation, the main cause of redness, puffiness, and dullness. Omega-3s also support collagen production, keeping your skin firm and smooth. Japanese researchers found that people who eat salmon twice a week have noticeably fewer wrinkles. To boost the effect, squeeze a little lemon on your salmon. The vitamin C helps your body absorb collagen better. Another powerful food is blueberries. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect skin cells from aging. They fight damage from pollution, stress, and UV rays. Regular blueberry intake improves blood flow, helping nutrients reach your skin faster. Just half a cup daily can brighten your complexion and fade dark spots over time. Nuts and seeds are also essential. Walnuts in particular are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats that support smooth, youthful skin. They help rebuild damaged tissue and reduce inflammation caused by sugar or processed foods. But moderation is key. Just a handful a day. Too much can raise omega-6 levels, which trigger inflammation. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also great for your skin. They contain alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which is a type of omega-3 that keeps your skin soft and moist. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Then comes sweet potatoes, one of nature's best sources of beta-carotene. Your body converts this compound into vitamin A, which protects against dry, flaky skin and stimulates new cell growth. Sweet potatoes also shield your skin from sun damage. Studies show that people who eat more beta-carotene have fewer sunburns and better skin tone. Now let's talk about green tea. It's more than just a soothing drink, it's a skin protector. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that prevent sun damage, reduce redness, and improve elasticity. Drinking 2 cups daily helps neutralize free radicals and supports even skin tone. You can also use cooled green tea as a natural toner. It tightens pores and refreshes the skin instantly. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are, honestly, anti-aging powerhouses. They detoxify the liver and clean the blood, which is pretty amazing. When your liver is healthy, your skin just naturally looks clearer and more radiant. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, which fights toxins and supports your body's natural collagen production. They also contain lutein, which protects the skin from UV rays and keeps it hydrated. Papaya is another superfood for youthful skin. It's full of vitamin C, vitamin A, and papain, an enzyme that gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Eating papaya daily helps fade spots, smooth wrinkles, and brighten your complexion. Many dermatologists now agree that papaya enzymes can naturally renew the skin without harsh chemicals, which is really encouraging. Tomatoes are next on the list. They are rich in lycopene, a plant compound that acts like a natural sunscreen from the inside. It reduces the damage caused by UV rays and prevents collagen breakdown. Cooked tomatoes are even more effective, as cooking releases more lycopene into the body. So, try adding tomato soup or roasted tomatoes to your meals for an extra boost. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can consume. It contains polyphenols that protect your skin cells from oxidative damage. Olive oil also keeps your skin supple and moisturized. If you replace your cooking oils with extra virgin olive oil, you'll get a long-term anti-aging benefit. People in Mediterranean countries, where olive oil is a diet staple, often look decades younger than their age because of this one habit. Now, for an underrated but critical food, dark chocolate, but only the kind with at least 70% cacao. It's rich in flavonols, which increase blood flow to the skin and protect it from UV damage. A small piece daily can make your skin smoother and more hydrated. Turmeric also plays a key role. It contains curcumin, a compound that reduces inflammation and supports collagen synthesis. Pair turmeric with black pepper to boost absorption, and honestly, watch your skin start to glow from within. When you combine these foods, avocado, salmon, blueberries, walnuts, sweet potatoes, green tea, papaya, and olive oil, you build a diet that protects your skin from the inside out. Within a few weeks, you'll see less dryness, fewer wrinkles, and more natural radiance. Your skin will start acting younger because your cells are healthier and more hydrated. But here's a warning. Many people eat these exact foods, yet still look older than their age. Why? Because they make a few silent mistakes that completely cancel out all these benefits. They unknowingly destroy collagen, weaken the liver, and overload the skin with toxins. You might be doing the same without realizing it. That's why the next part is critical. It will reveal the 3 life-threatening mistakes that can ruin all your anti-aging efforts and make you look older, even while eating the right foods. These mistakes are so common that most people make at least one of them daily. So stay tuned, because understanding what not to do is just as powerful as knowing what to eat. Let's now uncover the 3 dangerous mistakes that silently make you age faster. Even if you eat healthy foods, these mistakes destroy collagen, weaken your skin cells, and make all your anti-aging efforts useless. If you've ever felt like your diet is good but your skin still looks dull, these hidden habits are likely to blame. Let's start with the first one: too much sugar. Sugar doesn't just come from desserts or candy. It hides in breakfast cereals, sauces, fruit juices, and even so-called healthy smoothies. When sugar enters your bloodstream, it attaches to collagen and elastin, 2 key proteins that keep your skin firm and elastic. This process is called glycation. It makes the skin stiff, dry, and wrinkled. Over time, your face starts to lose its natural glow and firmness. Even natural sweeteners like honey or agave can trigger glycation when overused. The solution: keep your daily sugar intake below 25 grams. Choose whole fruits instead of fruit juices, and avoid adding sugar to tea or coffee. You can also use cinnamon or stevia as natural sweeteners. They help balance blood sugar and protect your skin from premature aging. Mistake number 2: cooking healthy foods in the wrong oils. You might be eating salmon, vegetables, or eggs thinking you're doing your body good, but if you cook them in refined seed oils like sunflower, soybean, or canola oil, you're silently damaging your skin. These oils become unstable when heated, releasing toxic compounds that trigger inflammation. That inflammation doesn't just harm your organs, it also shows up on your face as puffiness, acne, and wrinkles. It weakens the skin barrier and speeds up collagen loss. Instead, cook with heat-stable oils like cold-pressed olive oil, ghee, or coconut oil. These contain healthy fats and antioxidants that protect cells from oxidation. In Mediterranean countries where olive oil is the main cooking fat, people age slower and have smoother skin even in their 70s. So switch your oils today. It's one of the simplest ways to look younger naturally. Now comes mistake number 3: not getting enough protein and antioxidants together. This one, honestly, shocks many people. You might be eating lots of fruits and vegetables for antioxidants, but without protein, your body just can't produce collagen. Collagen is made from amino acids. Those are the building blocks found in protein-rich foods. Without it, your skin becomes thin, fragile, and, well, saggy. Many seniors unintentionally reduce protein intake because they eat lighter meals. That's a big mistake. You should include clean protein sources like eggs, lentils, Greek yogurt, tofu, or fish in every meal. And, pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers, citrus fruits, or strawberries. This combination helps your body convert protein into collagen efficiently. Think of it like building a house. You need bricks, which is your protein, and cement, which is vitamin C. Without both, the structure just falls apart. There's also one bonus mistake that accelerates aging faster than all three combined: dehydration. Most people over 50 are dehydrated and don't even realize it. As you age, your body loses its ability to hold water, and your sense of thirst decreases. When your skin lacks hydration, it looks dull, rough, and full of fine lines. No cream can fix that from the outside. You need hydration from the inside. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of clean filtered water every day. Herbal teas, coconut water, and lemon-infused water are also great. Avoid carbonated drinks, which deplete minerals and dry your skin. Remember, hydrated cells mean plump, youthful skin. So, how can you turn all this knowledge into a daily habit? Well, it's simple. Start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon to detox your liver and, boost digestion. For breakfast, eat oatmeal topped with blueberries, chia seeds, and walnuts. This combination fights inflammation and keeps your blood sugar stable. At lunch, go for grilled salmon or lentils with steamed greens and olive oil dressing. Oh, and don't forget to add a slice of avocado for those healthy fats. For an afternoon snack, it's a great idea to enjoy a few pieces of papaya or maybe a small handful of almonds. At dinner, try eating sweet potatoes with spinach and tofu, or if you prefer, a small serving of fish. And most importantly, end your day with a cup of green tea. It calms your mind, hydrates your body, and provides powerful antioxidants. Within just a few weeks, you'll start noticing the difference. Your skin will look smoother and tighter. Your eyes will look brighter. You'll have more energy because your cells are finally nourished the right way. People will start asking what your secret is, and it won't be some cream or pill. It will be the natural power of food. Aging is not just about getting older. It's really about how well your body repairs itself. When you feed it correctly, it knows exactly how to rebuild, rejuvenate, and protect itself. But remember this final truth. Aging is not only physical, it's emotional too. Stress, worry, and lack of sleep can honestly make you look years older, even if your diet is perfect. Sleep well, stay positive, and spend time in nature. When your mind is calm, your body reflects it through glowing skin and bright eyes. True beauty, well, it really begins with peace within. So, if you want to look 10 years younger, start today. Avoid sugar, use the right oils, eat enough protein, stay hydrated, and protect your peace. These are simple but powerful changes that can truly transform your appearance and your health. In just 30 days, you'll see your skin become softer, smoother, and more radiant. You'll feel confident again every time you look in the mirror. And before you go, don't forget, your journey to youthful living doesn't stop here. There's so much more to learn about the connection between food and aging. So, hit that like button, share this video with someone who deserves to feel young again, and subscribe for more natural health tips that truly work. Remember, youth is not lost with age. It's lost when you stop taking care of yourself. Eat right, live light, and keep glowing from the inside out.